Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Zephyr.
I've seen you looking for an answer lately, so tell me something tonight. You remind me of the limelight lady. I gotta get by your side. Wanna talk, wanna know what's keeping you inside of your head. And we both been playing the smoke, but the fire's gonna get me instead. Tell me that you're feeling me and I'll do the same. Come a little closer. Tell me good night that you ain't playing a game, 'cause I don't want
I think they're penguins.
Catching feelings, but they're sliding through my fingertips. Second guessing the night. You know it ain't easy, and girl, believe me, nothing's ever easy with you. Wanna talk, you wanna get more than close, yeah, but you is all that you've been about. You don't know, and really neither do I. Tell me and we'll figure it out. Tell me that you're feeling me and I'll do the same. Come a little closer. Tell me good enough. Some days it feels like radio silence, place in my mind in spaces it shouldn't be. And then you break through the lies, keep turning my eyes to the face of all that I need. You kill the static. Clear the noise, and I hear your voice again. Take my phone from my hand. I don't want it anymore, 'cause it's not giving my soul no advantage. I need you to make me whole, 'cause when I'm feeling this radio silence, tension undivided, let me know there's more than what's been coming through my eyelids. Look at the reflection, don't forget your own likeness. Push it to the side, need a quiet on the sirens. Radio static, breaking bad habits. Living in your love don't mean I fake a bad average, but I know it's better to surrender my status, 'cause fair weather tends to get me so distracted. Radio silence, place in my mind in spaces it shouldn't be. May you break through the lies, keep turning my eyes to the face of all that I need. You kill the static. Clear the noise, and I hear your voice again. Switch plans up, new stanza. You already knew what the plan was. Break through my coverage canceled. Hanging by a thread, I'ma lift my hands up. I don't wanna give you part of life and keep the rest for me. Hearing what you tell me can't get lost inside the messaging. Radio static, trying to block me out, but when you speak it's too emphatic. Think I've been around and you reveal another facet. Life without the fastness, sticking with the tactics, yeah, yeah. Radio silence, place in my mind in spaces it shouldn't be. May you break through the lies, keep turning my eyes to the face of all that I need. You kill the static.
All you have to do is
I got my portable charger, but I didn't charge it enough. But this one, I'm gonna struggle.
I suppose that's the same size as that, bro. more horsepower they got over there.
What was yours? Why did we come?
Kayaking looks fun. It's not.
They're
It
actually
looks. Yeah, it's like 2-3 meters. It's not too deep. That's my tent. I don't think I could build a tent by myself. I guess really good helps from people. This is so cool. There's some shop. So I'm covered with like sand and everything.
Fuck, Julia! Maybe you should have gone down. Yeah, maybe you should have Oh, when they kick off
duty. 멀리가지 않아도 could be groovy. 하다 못해 커피 한 잔에 smoothie. Yeah, 먹는 걸로 쌓인 stress 모두 풀기. 맛집 찾아다니자 like a foodie. 5 Michelin stars, I sold you with the Barbie. 오는 날은 바삭한 부치.
It's so cool.
You have to tense before you just like.
If you feel it.
Yeah, the most essential is light or lantern. Super dark. Really can't see anything if you don't have light. Yeah, got lights here. Like it's so sandy, like it's sands everywhere. Like even myself can't help with it. I'm back in my small tiny tent. I'm gonna rest a bit. I'm tired. Alright. That's the bathroom. Looks freaking scary as hell. I don't want to go, but I have no choice, so I gotta go. Hey guys, I'm going to have some instant ramen before I go to sleep. I hope the water I brought is still warm. And my chopsticks are ready, and then yeah, pretty hot. This half side of my tent, it's all about like my bags and my belongings and all things. But then this half side I'm going to put a sleeping bag and then try to sleep this half. This tent takes like 2-3 people. Actually fine usually. It's enough for one person, but I feel like it's gonna be really small for tight for 2 people. And no, I don't think 3 people can sleep here. So good.
Where you been? Running from things that you know. Just trying to find where to live, but it's not bringing you home. As if hope was a pill or a bottle or a phone that could hold me, heal all my sorrow, but still nothing upholds me. Please light a far away. With you I see the morning always comes. With you I hear the story told by love. Never leave a diamond in the rough. 'Cause better seasons rising like the sun. 'Cause morning always comes. Sometimes I'm fine in the backseat. Feels like my life's moving past me, and I get so caught up in things I'll forget 10 days from last week. There's too much blessing every day for me to leave on the shelf. Just lift your head, 'cause there's no reason you should be by yourself. 'Cause life is a gift worth more than trying to survive. The sun still rises tomorrow, if it's 9 or it's 5. If you're looking for goodness, then that's what you'll find. With you I see the morning always comes. With you I hear the story told by love. It never leave a diamond in the rough. There's better seasons rising like the sun. 'Cause morning always comes. Morning always. Yeah, morning always comes. And morning always. Yeah, morning always comes. Morning always comes. It was dark for a while, but I can see the light. Lost my heart for a while, but now I'm feeling right. Hold your hope in the trial until you leave the night. Morning always, oh morning always. It was dark for a while, but I can see the light. Lost my heart for a while, but now I'm feeling right. Hold your hope in the trial until you leave the night. Morning always, oh morning always. With you I see the morning always comes. With you I
Where did they go? They disappeared. Where? Oh, okay.
I do one more time, right? Alright, so Ella, when I say you need it unclean, so just lift up.
It's actually not too bad to walk. It's okay.
They look like Bigfoot.
They're like small penguins.
Wait, can you take a picture of me?
I think they're actually penguins. I think they're penguins. Aren't they? I think they're penguins.
Do you think they're gonna rock?
Bemba, you're scaring me.
Like, what in the hell? But just think, conversion to US, everything's cheaper. Everything is 36% off. But I hate you.
desert. So cool, what the heck? What the heck?
Well, you have to walk up the sand dune at the other side, but yeah, looking up here.
Gosh! It's crazy! Jeez! So cool! So cool. Little cactus, do you see? Like little, it's cactus. It's cute. Yeah! Actually, it's still really high up there. I'll be hesitant to. I'm really scared. It's scary. And then the thing is, I think once you come down, you need to.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Straight up.
Oh!
So I don't think you're gonna get anywhere sideways.
Just go sideways if you fall. You think it doesn't hurt?
You gotta commit. So negative, Alan. Where is it? Yes.
Are you good? Like,
And then, yeah, that's good. So if you lift it up, yeah. When you lift your legs up, then you're like in the right position.
I would never do this one. I'm so scared of the straps because you can't really like roll or anything. That's the scary thing about snowboarding in general, right?
You need to try and keep those numbers in.
Oh, that's pretty good. It's the sand foundation.
Let's go.
up from like.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, sure.
You how you sound like I look a little bit of the noise from like the English monitors I mean.
Second later.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma fight that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. Yeah, and we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
And I bet everyone's looking. Yeah. Didn't take long, locked eyes when I walked into you, feeling of your red cup. And we got the same thing, probably like the same things. Didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fucked over 1,000 times, think everyone's the same. But it's not the case right here, right now. At first sight, shit is no joke.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma fight that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. Yeah, and we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
And I'm feeling truthful right now, thinking I should do something right now. Lasso you up, getting buck wild. Yeah, I'm finna do something right now. Bounce. Tell the gang I'm out, call the lift up, lift you up. I go to town, stay for a while. They try the ball, I hold it down. I'm playing center, but you the center of attention. I know you get the message, and the way I'm focused where the lens is custom made for me, the metrics. Show you fit right in the schedule, and girl, you fit like Lululemon. And yeah, I'm lost for words. Tell me who's running first, no mistakes. Girl, you crossing me, what's got it work?
And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it. I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma fight that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it, yeah. Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma fight that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it, yeah. And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
and I bet everyone's looking. Yeah. Didn't take long, locked eyes when I walked into you, feeling up your red cup. And we got the same thing, probably like the same things. Didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fucked over 1,000 times, think everyone's the same. But it's not the case right here, right now. The first sight shit is no joke.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. Yeah, and we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
And I'm feeling truthful right now, thinking I should do something right now. Last saw you up, getting buck wild. Yeah, I'm finna do something right now. Bounce. Tell the gang I'm out, call the lift up, lift you up.
I forgot to put this in. Oh my god. Yeah, that was the only shower booth. On the way to beach.
It's Jigsaw.
Come my way.
Wow, Eli.
Tell me as you riding, tell me as you vibing, tell me where you slide on the low. I can be a diamond, the one that you can find in, give you time and a little more. And baby girl, won't you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day somewhere in the world where it's you and just me. Where it's you and just me. And shawty, won't you come my way? Got a lot of things that I'm wanting to say. Listen, baby girl, won't you come my way? I heard she hail from Jamaica, I love it to make her queen in the natural. Got gold and purple like a Laker, I just wanna take her everywhere she wanna go. And baby, you can pick it on the atlas. I ain't about that.
We were catching the light from the window, looking up, you were driving slow. I can see through it all with my eyes closed. We were never meant to be alone. There was a part of me that couldn't let go. Needed remembering I'm not on my own. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. Let a fire deep inside my mirror. I'm filling up rooms in your head. Flying through it all like an arrow. I'm feeling like myself again. There was a part of you that couldn't let go. Needed remembering when I don't know. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. You got the light. You
Hi everyone, if I could just have your attention please, just gonna play a safety announcement speech. So if I can have all of your attention please. Thank you.
G'day, welcome back on board the Moreton for the trip home. Before we begin our safety spiel, remember those who've got cars in central London or looking at BWM or Oxford or the Rangers, head down now and turn off your alarm. In the name of blues, ready life jackets stored on each deck. There's floats upstairs on the upper deck. Now, rule and instruction on their use and use required. In the event of emergency, please follow directions of your experienced crew. Now we've gotten all that serious stuff out of the way, let's talk about the house rules. Where can I have a smoke? I'm dying for a bugger. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, no smoking on board, and that goes for you vapors too. If you get caught, there'll be trouble. What about if I want to crack the last of me Great Northerns before we get home? Sorry about this, but the Moreton is a fully licensed vessel, so you cannot